In today's video, we will discuss the objective of the experiment to study the operating characteristics of the fuse. Here we are using HRC, which is also called open type fuse. And then we will discuss the circuit diagram of this experiment. First of all, here is DPST, which stands for double pole single throw. It provides the supply to the circuit of this experiment. Here it is, we are using single phase 50 Hz supply, which is 230 volt. Here it is auto transformer, and half of the tapping here it is. Then here it is a meter connected in series with the auto transformer and the positive of the fuse, which has operating range 0 to 9.999 ampere. Here is it is loading transformer with time totalizer, which shows the time according to the current or in the ammeter. So then here it is procedure for the whole circuit. Then observation table, precautions, and then finally here it is conclusion and the graph from we are obtaining from the previous circuit diagram and the actual in practice of the circuit diagram. Here we have a panel for characteristics of HRC fuse. First of all, we have DPST, which stands for double pole single throw. Then we have two switches, which one of is on and off. With the help of on switch, we can give the supply to the circuit. Then we have an ammeter. Now the connection of ammeter is primary of the ammeter is connected to the secondary of auto transformer. Then secondary of the ammeter is connected to the secondary of HRC fuse. Then we have auto transformer on off switch. Here with the help of this switch we can on and off the auto transformer. Then we have HRC fuse. Here we have a time totalizer. By the increasing of the current, HRC fuse ruptures, then bulb starts glow. Then we note down the reading from the time totalizer digital meter. Now we have a HRC fuse. First of all, we give the supply to the circuit. Now with the help of this switch, circuit is on. First of all, we reset the value of the time totalizer. Then with the help of auto transformer, we can increase the value of the current up to the 13 ampere. Then we will note down the reading at which value of current bulb glows and HRC fuse ruptures. Now bulb glows and we will note down the readings. Then we will see. Now here we can see HRC fuse has been ruptured.